Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and tonight I've got the Vimes challenge lock. I know absolutely nothing about this lock. I don't know who made it. I don't know how old it is. I've got nothing. It came to me via Nigby along with Tinny's nail biter lock. So first question for anyone out there who knows anything about this lock, give me a little bit of background if you know about it. I would really be interested to know where it came from. When I'm done with this, I'm sending both this and nail biter back or on to Nick's picks, because I think it's his turn next in the queue. So yeah, this will be in the post in a day or two, not too long, I hope. So I've only had these a couple of days, so we want to keep these things moving, get them through the community, because they're quite good fun. So I'm going to get this set up, focused in, and get it hopefully picked and gutted. I'll see you shortly. Right, ready to go, I think. Oh, all good. Let's see what Vimes is up to. I'll start at the back and work my way forward. Not giving a great deal of feedback yet. A couple of clicks, but there's no real core movement. Ah, there we got some core movement now. Right, just a little bit on the front pin. There we go. So it was a bit odd. All of the work was in the front two pins. So I want to have a look inside this and find out what's going on. It was like nothing was happening at the back of the lock, very little movement, and then loads of activity right at the front of the lock. So let's get the pinning tray out and have a look at this. Right, little brass circlip. These ones are pretty easy to get off. Right, let's lock that back up and use the key. Where's my shim? Right. That's what's... Okay, so there is quite a lot of work on the key pins, though I don't think any of those came into play. I don't think any went through the Bible. So let's see. So we got any thing in the core. So we've got some threading in chambers. Actually, no, we've got counter milling in 1, 2, 5, 5 and 6, and threading in 3 and 4. And to be honest, I didn't feel it. But I was using a fair amount of tension, so perhaps if I'd have been a bit more gentle, I might have noticed it. Okay, let's find out where that went. They went everywhere. But anyway, here's the pin for that thing. That is the first pin. And that might explain why all that activity was right down at the front of the lock. That is a monstrous pin. Right, sorry about that clumsiness, but we are back in business. Yeah, another busy pin in slot 2. There is a lot of work on these pins. I've got to be honest, I didn't notice much from the back set of pins, so I'm a little surprised. There's a whopping, right, it's like a rattlesnake pin, I think. That's actually really cool. Is that a rattlesnake pin? No. Okay. Wow. This is some cool pins. That goes around that way, that one goes around that way. I'm going to show these. They are actually pretty cool pins. How about those? But like I said, it was these chambers 1 and 2 really gave me most of the work. Everything else, pretty straightforward. But that might have been to do with the order that I picked it in, because I did pick it starting at the back. If you start at the front, it's quite a different pick. Okay, that's it. Interesting lock. I shall get Vimes along with Nail Biter back to Nick's picks, and I'm sure these will continue to do the rounds, as it were. So that's it for tonight. Enjoy your picking. Cheers.